Good day to all of you. I'll be sharing with you my critique of the article entitled Exploring Jordanian University Lectures, TPAC Knowledge Integrating ICT for Teaching English Pronunciation by Ayad Ahmad and Thomas John. So this is the summary of the article that I have chosen. So the study concludes that teachers need more ICT training, better access to pronunciation tools, and support to improve teaching pronunciation through technology. So this article shows a clear gap between what technology can offer and what teachers actually use. So teachers have basic tools, but they lack confidence and training to use more advanced pronunciation technologies. So this helps us to understand why improving ICT competence is important in language teaching today. So based on my readings of this article, these are the important points that I have learned. But I add six, but I want to emphasize the most important point for me is the lack of training. Even if tools exist, teachers will not use them confidently without knowing how and why to use them. This affects the quality of pronunciation teaching. So the article clearly shows that technology alone is not enough. We need teachers who are trained to use it well. So now, how the technology improves teaching practice? So one here is the interactive whiteboards for showing mouth positions and sound diagrams in videos. So this tool supports engagement, self-paced learning, and clear feedback, which are part of TPAC and Triple E, which means the engagement, enhancement, and extension frameworks presented in this article. So I want to explain simply why technology help us to teach pronunciation better because students can listen, imitate, record, and get feedback. Even basic tools like YouTube and interactive whiteboards already make lessons more engaging. So with tools like Praat, teaching becomes more scientific and accurate. The article shows that when teachers use ICT properly, pronunciation learning becomes clearer and easier for students. So now, as a reader of the article, what are my plans as a future English teacher? So I plan to apply the findings of this study to my future classroom by not just limiting myself to basic tools. The article taught me that effective pronunciation teaching requires the right technology and the right training. I want to become a teacher who is confident in using ICT tools and who can provide students with accurate, engaging, and meaningful pronunciation practice. Once again, this is Jenard Malimban, and thank you very much.